How to activate Binance card with simple and easy steps. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binance, and today I'll guide you on how you can activate Binance card with very simple and easy steps here. Now first things first, you want to open up your Binance and must be logged into your account, right? Now here I'm unverified, so I won't be able to show you in detail, but make sure you are verified. If you are verified, you'll find the human icon at the top left. In my case, you can see the Binance icon, so you want to tap on it. Here are various options, but there are some missing because I haven't verified my account, but you should be able to find the option here that says gift cards. So you want to tap on the gift cards option, and then you want to tap on receive card option. From there you want to go ahead and select the redeem crypto option. Then there on that page you want to enter in the gift card code located at the back of the card. Then go ahead with the prompts and you should be able to activate it. So this is how you can activate Binance card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.